J&I fishing. Today I'm at Hartlepool Cathedral Landings. Hopefully get my boat fixed this morning. It's been broke since October, so about 6 months. So I'm just head over to my boat now, meeting the boat engineer down here who's coming and sorting it out for me. So we're just car park now, just going to head down to the boat. There's plenty of people down here. There she is. I'll just flip the camera around so you can see it. And there she is there. Little Jess. That's my little boat. Head down here, open the gates and that. Open. There she is, little Jess. I need to move this boat over now so I can get my water fixed. Don't know if you can see a look at all that growing on it, seaweed. It's because it's been sat there for 6 months. So I'm going to move some boats around. Put my boat side on, make it easier for the bloke to get on. Saves climbing over it. And that'll be it. I'll bring you back in a bit. So that's the boat side on now. Easy to get on now. Ready for repair the engine. Here it. Yamaha 30 horsepower 4-stroke. So I'm getting some carbs repaired. Fitting the carbs back on it. There she is. Side on. Had a bit of damage over the winter. Hinges have gone a bit rusty. So I'll have to change them. Some of the fiberglass resins cracked, a little bit of crack on the floor. Might have to remake that box because that's all crap around the edges there. It hasn't been sealed correctly, same as that, and a bit round the roof. But other than that, not bad condition. All the electrics still work. Little toilet in there, hatched output on, solar panels on the top and whatnot. Boat's all back together. I'm going to give this a whirl now. It's all casing put back on, move the boat round, move the other boat round. The marine engineer, he's gone now. So first crank up after about 15-20 minutes. Here we go. So yeah, it's key. So if you can hear it. Oh, she purrs. Dribble, dribble. I think I might take it out and go for a little spin in it. What you like with a bit of So yeah, I think I'm going to go for a little drive in it, see what she's like. Better make sure we're all over switching out. Radio, VHF, Cobra, channel 80. Give it a radio check in a sec. Right, I'm just gonna I'm going to take the straps off and we'll go for a little spin.
And we're away. Sweet as a nut. Sat since October. Steering's a bit on the old stiff side. See all the seaweed that's been stuck on the hull on the motor. Swim it all. Out the channel now. Fast I'm going. I don't have my navionics with me to tell me how fast I'm going. So it's quite calm out there at the moment. Get out here and I'll open it up a bit. Too bad. About between 10 and 12 knots. Cruising along. Giving the battery a little charge. Lovely day. Get all the seaweed off the bottom. Give it a little blast for about 20 minutes, then I'll pull it back in. That's it. So as you can see, partly pulled behind. time I've given it a little bit more TLC this year. A little bit mint. Mint. Right, so that's me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. This is the first of many North Sea boat fishing trips videos. So subscribe, like and share.